Welcome back. This is Zangler, the Tesla Semi Advocate, and we are looking at the Gigafactory Nevada Tesla Semi Factory construction site for December 11th, 2024. And I wanted to show both the current state of the factory and the two renders so that we can just see how far they have come. So as we look at the two renderings and compare them to the current state of progress at the Giga Semi factory, I want to take a moment and thank the Tesla construction workers and dedicate this video to them for all that they've been doing in bringing this factory to reality. It's an amazing thing, and this entire video is dedicated to them. Keep up the good work. We're all supporting them. This is a look at the rendering from the south, showing the new section that is being worked on now, section G, which is clearly the most complicated section of them all, and we'll see more about that later. For now, I'd like to call attention to the fact that we are now going along the northern wall. This entire north wall has been completed, as well as the entire western wall, which is to the right. And we'll get a good look at that later. Doors that we saw them bringing in what looked like electrical panel equipment, which makes sense as being the first step in getting the factory ready for fitting out the assembly line. Look at all the progress that's been made as a result of the fact that you'll see that this is section B. The sections start at the northwest corner, section A. This is section B that is having the insulated roof material installed. This is section C, and then section D is in the background. Section E is to the right, and section F is the final section of the 6 main sections. And then section G is the new section that they just started working on, and we're going to spend a lot of time monitoring its progress over the next several weeks. It is clearly the most complicated and technical section, but again, the amount of progress made in 6 days is phenomenal. Those are the two water tanks that are hooked up to the water supply that was run up Milan Avenue over a year ago in preparation for this project. And apologize for the lighting. It's the fact of nature that the sun is in the south, and as I go along this north end, the lighting is not that great. We're turning the corner on the northeast section, and we'll be running down the eastern section, and we're fairly blind. I am fairly confident in saying that 4 out of the 6 main sections have had their concrete slabs poured, and I base that on the fact that there's plastic in the windows of, in all of those loading bays along the northern wall that we just traveled down. There's plastic sheeting covering each of those loading doors, and I think that would make sense that they've poured concrete. Can't really see in there that well because of the lighting, and that is somewhat speculation, but it's educated speculation.